Philips is expanding its Hue smart lighting system to the bathroom with a connected light-up mirror. With the Philips Hue White Ambience Adore Lighted Mirror, you can enjoy a beautiful light effect that prevents unwanted shadows. Use the dimmer switch to easily set the right light to help you energize, concentrate, read, and relax. This Philips bathroom light is especially designed for humid environments. This bathroom light is designed with the IP44, that is, it is protected against splashing water. The Hue Adore mirror only offers white light, not the 16 million color options that many of the other Hue products tout. With the ready-to-use wireless Philips Hue dimmer switch, you can brighten and dim your lights without a wired-in installation. Like Hue's other products, you will be able to connect it to the Hue Bridge hub and integrate it into your smart home setup with services like Amazon's Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit.